Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video we'll check if this phone has SD card slot. In order to check it, we have eject the SIM card tray. This phone does not have SIM card tray, so we have to take out the back of the phone. As you can see right here, this phone does have SD card slot next to the SIM card slot. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.